Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. This video where Apostle Alfred Uyinosa do so. Now for Emmanuel Agbogun, he say make Emmanuel Agbogun no drag Ebo Stone enter the crisis wey dey for Edo State. Una know say some criminals escape from Oko prison yesterday. So Emmanuel Agbogun don talk am say Ebo Stone get hand for wetin happen. So make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa.
Yeah, hello my people. On a good afternoon. Do well, no my mume and shime. There is an information or allegation going on right now alleging Ebo Stone to be part of the crisis that broke out in Edo State during the peaceful protest. Ebo Stone has nothing to do in that crisis because he is not the government. Ebo Stone is not the governor of the state. So I wonder why one comrade Emmanuel Agbogun would allege Ebo Stone for being the brain behind the crisis. It's not possible because you know go fit see young man when they fight for the betterment of the state to still employ people to take destroy the state. It's not possible. You people should stop playing politics with people's life. Ebo Stone have nothing to do with this crisis. Ebo Stone, I know, is a man that hate oppression. Ebo Stone, wey me know, na person when he hate oppression. Now the man will be say he don't like oppression. So with my little experience, so Emmanuel Agbogun, why you dey drag Ebo Stone into this crisis? Ebo Stone, popularly known as Okungbowa, he has nothing to do with this crisis. I use God beg una. Because Ebo Stone wey me I know. Na man when they stand for truth. Na man of justice. Right from the one, Ebo Stone have been protesting against bad governance, against oppression. So me, I don't know where Emmanuel Agbogun, the legend of being part of those who square-headed or masterminds the attack on protesters in Ring Road. So we should be very careful. Who don't die, don't die. So make una no use Ebo Stone matter. Take that Ebo Stone which power Ebo Stone get to take organize talks for the entire state. Make una reason now. Which level Ebo Stone can get to come say all the old talks for the entire state. Now he come mobilize them, mean they come destroy peaceful protest. So that means that Ebo Stone see some people, mean they go break prison. Guy, arrange yourself. Arrange yourself. Arrange yourself. When I arrange yourself. We know say this season everywhere hot now. So when I dey careful, we dey when they talk. Emmanuel Agbogun be careful. You know say I first tell you yesterday, make you dey careful. You know go hear. First tell you make you dey careful, you know go hear. Which proof you get? Say you say na organized people. Ebo Stone has nothing to do with this matter. Because Ebo Stone is still freedom fighter. Now man we see the fight for the freedom of the people. Based on which I don't see. Based on which I don't experience. So Emmanuel Agbogun, I just go beg you, not drag Ebo Stone into this protest. Because just as you they protest, now so Ebo Stone they protest. So election don't pass. No carry election matter into this matter now. Una yes so. Because if they want to treat this crisis, now you Emmanuel Agbogun and Maleke now go really hold. Because Maleke talk yesterday for the video where he do. Say he did there. When the protester they talk, say, oh, Oko. He say, say, no, make them not go. He can't revise. Now, that video where Maleke do, that one already indict him. When Maleke hear, say that they go Oko, waiting he do. See, I said Aden Orasio. Waiting Maleke do. Now, Maleke no say that they go Oko. Why Maleke not call state government? Why Maleke not call Abat? Why Maleke not call DSS? Why Maleke not call police commissioner? Why Malay cannot call military? Why Malay cannot call custom general correction center people? So that some persons are coming to attack them. Come on, I'm gonna be careful. Mona dey careful. So this problem will break out for those states. Emmanuel Agbogun, you and Maleke, now we go home and some of those tigers when it did this time. Because now what you now plan to do during election when it backfire, none of they do so. So this one has nothing to do with election. So more they careful. There is crisis in the country. This is not the time we begin to heat up crisis. Because for Ring Road that day when that thing break out, I did Ring Road. I did Ring Road. I see wetin happen. I don't need prophets to tell me. I did Ring Road that day. I did Ring Road that day when those people from nowhere, Ogbe boys, when they attack those peaceful protesters, I did it when they release the first gunshots. I did it. Now once those guys come and begin to carry collars, they carry knife. Where they forget those collars? Where they forget those knives? I did Ring Road that day when that incident break out. I did it that day when that incident break out. So make una dey careful. Now life, then we dey talk about now. Life. We dey talk about life. So the way we dey play with life for this country, make we dey very careful. Because the king where they beat, you not to me no cry. So this is not the point to start dragging a Boston into this matter. Make una dey careful. Because a Boston not get hand for this matter. In a Boston not get hand for this matter. Because I didn't go that I know I see what happen. I see what happened that day. Now Ogbe boys come out from nowhere, attack those people they protest peacefully. Now they start that crisis. Now that crisis where they don't manage, now it degenerate to where we did so. Now it degenerate. So me I not see where a Boston for begin to gather. How a Boston will take gather the whole talk for the whole state. What are they think now? What are they think? So now a Boston still gather the White House. What are they think? So now they send a Boston. Now go gather for me, go break a correction center for Airport Road. Come on now. Make una dey think. Make una dey think. So, Emmanuel Agbogun, be careful. Before they allege people, make you dey careful. Now, what is wrong with you guys? What will be the problem? What is wrong with you people? What is the problem? We are fighting for the freedom of our state. We are fighting against bad governance. We are fighting against legislative stealing. We are fighting against corruption. We are fighting against thuggery. We are fighting against it. So we don't need to begin to say, now this one, now this one, now this one, I ain't one. Enough. Enough. Ebosto was not in that scene that day to say I can mobilize people. The fathers, okay, let us remove people from the street. Please, please, this is not the time. Everywhere they hot now. Everywhere they hot now. Everywhere they hot now. But they pay me say our youth, no one learn. If they pay me say our youth, no one learn. Forget the peanut where any politician will give you. But politician will give money to say go and kill. They don't like you. They don't like you. They don't like you. They don't like una. Any politician will give you money, say go and fight your neighbor. Now your enemy. Because you go see pay people to also fight you. With all these crashes where they happen now, all this is our political state managed from the top. To destroy, to make sure say this peaceful protest not continue. But their plan will fail. Their plan will fail. Their plan will fail. Why Bishop at the same time, they declare coffee for those states, they declare coffee for Lagos, they declare coffee for Abuja, the three most popular states. And I know say the Minister of Information, Liar Department, make a video on Sunday night. On Sunday night. So, make we dey careful. This protest is against bad governance. And anybody when he pay those hoodlums to come go attack those protesters, now God na go kill you now. Anybody when they hide other anything, you go pay hoodlums to say go and attack those people they protest peacefully. Now don't na go kill you now. Una go share. Una go share. Because freedom is now or never. We are fighting for our freedom now. If we miss them now, we miss it forever. That's the reason why we cannot chicken out of battle. As me and you dey talk now, there's protest going on in Main Gate peacefully. They are not shooting anybody. Peacefully. They are not shooting anybody. They are there peacefully. The army general don't go there. They will not come back peacefully. So some people do not allow themselves carry money, collect money from certain people to cause crisis for the state. As soon as they collect money from politicians to cause crisis, now that money will take burial now if we not take time. Now that money they will take burial now if we not take time. Mona no drag Able Stone into this matter because Able Stone not get hand for what happen for this crisis. Able Stone has nothing to do with this crisis. Able Stone has nothing to do with this crisis that break out in Edo State. Able Stone, which money Able Stone get to take organize the whole talks for Edo State? You mean say all those people will come go break prison? So Able Stone, I pay all of them. Come on, I'm gonna they think. So now Able Stone come pay all those crowd. We go correction center for Airport Road. Come on now, what they think? The game plan of the evil leaders now to set the youth against themselves. Because we are all fighting for the betterment of our country. We are all fighting for the betterment of our state. Politics aside, irrespective of our political differences, put it aside, we are all fighting for the freedom of our people. So I beg, make some certain individuals not gonna come here now. You want to begin they allege one person. So I'm sending this message to Emmanuel Agbogo, please, enough. Please, enough. Please, enough. Emmanuel Agbogo, please, enough. We know on a type. Now I be the lions and tiger when he plan to destroy this state during election, but na plan fail. Now the plan na come hide under this protest to unleash terror. But now they careful. Who they cry, if they see road. Pikin with the beat, you know say make you don't cry, he go cry. So when the pikin they cry, you know if you stop and make you don't cry. So more they careful. Now no say me they do video like this. Now no say once they do video like this, they talk. Now no say the thing they pay me. What is wrong with all these guys? Now they careful. Till now, that protest would have still be peaceful in those states. If not for that crisis that broke out in Ring Road that day. Now that crisis now escalate because it was not properly managed. Tell friend truth, you know the key friend. As they kill somebody for Ring Road that day, if they quickly put hand for the matter, it will not escalate. Why wait for the dead man to die before you begin to cry? You can prevent the dead before crying. Why prepare money for people who are supposed to use the money to take care of the living? Come on now. Make we think wise. So I beg, make we leave Able Stone out of this matter. Make we deal with the issue with the ground. So which means now Able Stone still calls the one we did for Lagos. Now Able Stone say arrange people, make they go bomb politicians for Lagos, abi? You never hear say they don't place 24-hour coverage for Lagos. Na Able Stone abi. For Abuja na Able Stone. More they think. More than know say the plan of the government now to set the youth against themselves. Which they have succeeded in doing. Which they have succeeded. But their plan will fail. Their plan will fail. Their plan will fail. So please. Emmanuel Agbogo, please stop dragging Able Stone into this matter. Stop dragging the state government into this matter. It did everybody body. Most stop him. Let's stop dragging Obaseki into this matter. Let's stop it. Everybody, you are free to express your anger, but not to the extent of begin to allege people. Enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Let's call it spade. It's paid. All the youth will defy so with the street who concern that government. Our government are concerned. If these guys were properly trained, gainfully employed, would they be on the street? In fact, there is nowhere in the world where people on the street. There is nowhere in the world where people on the street, people on the street, but they manage them. And they're managing them well. You know that Africa, especially Nigeria, our leaders are evil. Our leaders are evil. Now then they pay some miscreant to the cause problem. So that made the protest not hold. But their plan don't fail. Their plan will continue to fail. So I beg, leave Ebostone out of this matter. Leave the state government out of this matter. Let's deal with the issue on ground. If we can collectively come together to deal with the issue on ground, there will be a way forward. But I believe anybody when they don't pay, anybody when they collect money to take cause crisis for this state, so that many people they protest of a protest, now thunder go kill una. Thunder go kill una. And Emmanuel Agbogu, you will need to come with your evidence to say yes. I see her when you give them, you see her when you give and gone. When are they careful? When are they careful? I said them at the assume because you, Emmanuel Agbogu and Maleke, because we need to question now. Because Maleke talking with him mouth. Why Maleke go delete the video when he do by himself? After she said everybody always say Abraham, now Maleke quickly deletes the video. Why you delete him? Maleke, why you delete the video? You for leave him. Because the video indicts you. And go meet Facebook, they go approach that video comment because she did the archive. Because Maleke used the man talking. Say he was there. He say he did there. One of these protesters they shout, Oko, 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 Oko. Now use the man talking. Nobody talk. Nobody force him. Now he talking. Say they not hear. Now he can't drive motor. Now he can't house. Now when Maleke, when you hear say let's go Oko, who did you call? How many phone calls did you make to the authority? Tell friend truth, you know this key friend. Maleke, who did you call? How many phone calls did you make? To say yes, I make this phone call. I called the state governor. I called the prison controller. I called the DSS that they are going to attack Oko. Who did you call? So Oga, una hand did this matter. Any amount we una collect to take cause crisis, now go suffer put. So I say make a quick react to the video where they trend about him and Agbogu where they talk saying na Ebostone arrange people they fight for Edo State. Ebostone has nothing to do with it. So it mean na Ebostone still go arrange people they fight for Auchi. Na Ebostone. Guy, well, they careful. Now don't say me na apostle. Me I not feel see something. I'll come close my mouth. More they careful. Make we deal with it. Because most stop this blame game. Not until we stop this blame game, we go nowhere. Not until we put an end to all this unnecessary blame game, we go nowhere. No, now Maleke use the man talk more. And I use the man talk now in video now they analyze. If I young, yes, now in video now analyze. Because he do the video, now he talk am. So he see them, they go there. He join them. So now when he comes in no go, now he tell them say, make them not go, now he revise, carry about to come out. My question be this, why he not call police authority to say, he called them all? Make we reason the matter now. Why Maleke not make call to the controller of prison, of correctional center, to say, they are coming to attack you people? Why you not make that call? Now you say he revise, then he go ask. Now wait till he talk with the mat. Not me talk, now he talk him. Now he don't go quickly delete the video from the wall. If you leave him, why you delete him? Why did you delete from your wall? Why did you delete it from your wall? So now the point be this. Now the point be this. So by the grace of God, Edo is moving forward. Nobody can stop Nigeria protest. Nobody can stop this peaceful protest. Nobody. If they let me, they put 1 year curfew. This protest must hold. We demand for good governance, and you not get what anybody will fit do. And you not get what anybody will fit do for this matter. This protest against bad governance must continue, and nobody will fit stop it. If they let me, they put 20 years curfew. All of it. We did this country now. We did this country. Thank God the army are they reasonable. So I want to tell my boys, the Edo boys, when I'm not engage any army, I just gonna beg on now. Edo boys, please do not engage the army in a gun battle. Please don't do it. Please. He who run from fight today, live to fight tomorrow. So all Edo boys, I just go beg on. Mona no attack any military officer. If una do na lane, they did their lane, they will not be killings. If you want just guys to sing your Mona, you're the one place. Please. All Edo boys, I just go beg on. Do not exchange bullets with the Nigerian army, with any security officer. Please, don't do it. Don't do it. Even me, I condemned the attack on police station yesterday. It's wrong. And I did a video to that effect. It's wrong. Are you his PA? Ever young, are you my Leke PA? He forgot to make a call. Are you BPA? He should come and tell you, explain to the whole world. He should come and explain to the whole world. What if they can't forget? So, it's a fight to finish. So, guys, please do not engage the army. I beg you, please, don't do it. 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 Please. Don't engage the army in a gun deal. Please don't do it. Edo boys, please stop. Let's go beg una, stop. Do not engage the army in a gun deal. Please stop it. Please stop it. Please. Do not engage the army in a gun deal. Please stop it. What is not good is bad. You cannot be fighting against bad governance, and you are going about burning police station, destroying government property. It's totally unacceptable. But we know, say the people with on top now they sponsor now. So that one are the way that disturb the Nigerian leaders. That's the style of Nigerian leaders. They know how to engage people against themselves. So, please, 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 don't engage the army in any battle. Please, please. What is not good is bad. The purpose of this protest should not be defeated. Should not be defeated. Should not be defeated. Our aim to end bad governance must be achieved. Must be achieved. Our aim to put an end to bad governance must be achieved. It's a must. Must be achieved. So please, 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 do not drag a Boston into this matter, because he has nothing to do with it. Please. Please. We don't want Nigeria to become like Libya. We don't want this country to be like Libya. Johnson, I totally agree with you. Totally agree with you. Please, walao. We don't want this country to be like Libya. Walao. Please. Please. We are fully aware that APC are the one responsible for this. All over at the same time, Benin, Lagos, Abuja at the same time. Well, come on now. But anybody with the use the money, they sponsor to hoodlums to attack people they protest peacefully. Now thunder na go strike una. Na go see am. Bicycle will not get break, and I go jam una. They spoke, you go pierce on chest. Enough is enough. We don't cry rich. We don't cry rich. We don't cry rich. So my people, I say make I do this broadcast, make I react to that trending video where Manu Agbogun do, where they allege Ebostone. Even Ebostone itself hate oppression. Even Ebostone, they shout, end bad governance. Now you go say bad governance, you go say employ people to say destroy. Not possible now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. But our stand to end bad governance still remain, and nobody can change it. We are resolute in this fight. We are resolute in this fight. Our stand to end bad governance must stand, and you not get with anybody go do. You. They're not guilty of it for this matter. They're not guilty of it for this matter. Who they cry if they see road, no veer or they go there, or veer or they go there. I beg, Nigeria people, do not attack police officer again. Our youth, please. Do not attack any police officer again, please. 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 Police, they are not our problem. They are the leaders be our problem. Please. 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 Do not attack police officer again, please. We know there are bad eggs among them, but they are still good police officer. Please. We not beat police officer again, please. Please. The town is hot. The country is hot now. Make it not come be like Libya. I beg. Because if you become like Libya, nobody will feel stay. We can still achieve our goal with calmness. With calmness. If for 2 weeks protests they go on for this country without fight, everything they coordinate themselves. Overnight, when Liam and Mohammed make some stupid statement Sunday night, now I trigger all these things. Because our leaders, they know what they do. Look at the minister, the ambassador, we don't apologize, say not talk. Now ambassador for instigate. The Buhari say, me Buhari kill the youth. So our leaders, as when they say me Buhari kill the youth, now children don't start. Una children then don't start. Please, no need to start setting politicians ablaze, because now our money is just built down. Those politicians were built with our money. Please, we should stop destroying property. You cannot be protesting and you are destroying property. But I know the real people fighting for justice and not those setting fires on government property. They can't do that. No time for that. I've been American born politician. No. We also know that the government can also sponsor talks to burn their property themselves, so that they have point. So that they have point to prove. Just as soon as they say Maleke has nothing to do with this too, so Ebostone has nothing to do with this. Ebostone has nothing to do with this. Because now all their utterances, now will they react to. Now that video will they react to. Now that video will they react to. We don't need war in Nigeria. We can still achieve our goal on a peaceful protest. It's just that something block our leaders here. For 2 weeks, people they protest. For 2 weeks, no single statement. No single positive statement. They like we. Now we the city we. The city we. They never they come up positive statement to give the youth hope in all day. So youth are beg. No take am easy. Just as soon as the verse, now so many are the verse. But we know the scratch body, we deal with the scratch us. Because if we scratch it like that, blood go full everywhere. So I beg. That's why I say make I do this video this afternoon to quickly respond to waiting the way Managbogun they allege Ebo Stone. Then I ain't cause crashes for this state. Ebo Stone has nothing to do with it. Ebo Stone has nothing to do with it. Then Managbogun, why are you dragging the state government into this matter? The state government, Obaseki has nothing to do with this. Everybody gets your own shortcoming, but not to the extent of alleging him. So, Mama Jane, nobody broke into prison. No. People come down from fence. When we say prison break, there should be casualty. When we say if they break prison, which type of country get away till they carry luggage? I'm not going to see that reason now. They break prison, they'll still get chance to take the dress till they carry luggage. I beg, come on now. Come on now. So there's something like prison break. If na prison break, how many words are the key? When I hear bomb, who open those doors? Who open those doors? Beg, I don't want to verse this afternoon. But make we use thank you, Jesus. I don't see the video at the fine. I don't see the video. So that make the whole word. See. This one resembles prison break.
As you can see, they are breaking the fence and they're trying to come out. Yes, yes. Well, they're already breaking the wall. Gunshot upon gunshot. It's been heard. At the other side. As you can see, they are breaking the fence and they're trying to come out. Yes, yes. Well, they're already breaking the wall.
Una see am. If they said they break prison, not be from outside, but now from inside. Make we dey tell ourselves the truth. From inside, no be people open all the prison gate. Una no see am. Say na plan work. Na not just say this na political work, handwork. Na no see am. Ali, thank God for social media. Well, thank God say everything they do, people they see am. You see am now. So if they attack, when I say people they attack them, no, people they come out from inside, they break the wall. So now that grand arrangement, who open all those doors? Who open those prison gates? Because I don't feel good they go preach. Your head no strong reach. How you want to break that prison? How you want to break am? Maximum prison. How? It take an insider to open those gates. Even the prisoner said they don't open the gate. When they tell ourselves the truth. With this video clip, the truth say anything when they do this, it will always backfire. It will always backfire. And it will continue to backfire. When I say people they want come out. Not be say people they have go there. Now the video they analyze. People not go there to say now people they break to enter inside. Now people they come outside. The same thing for White House. If na prison break, how many casualties recorded? No press statement from the prison warden. No press statement has been issued. How many press statements have been issued concerning that matter? Now security matter, yes. When I don't hear any prison officer come on air to okay, this what actually transpired. No, come on now. We are wise now. We are wise. Our mumu, he don't do. Our mumu don't do. Our mumu don't do. Our mumu don't do. No, be careful. So finally, please, nobody should draw a stone into this matter. Nobody should draw a stone into this matter. Nobody should draw a stone into this matter. Please. Now say that election hits to the ground. They never still survive the shock of the victory. So they can go extra length to do whatever they need to do. But more they careful. Now try to talk and reach this afternoon. We'll see you later. God bless all of you now. Talk as it be. Our time we not here. Make we talk as it be. Me I no get friend. That's me for you. If you have found one thing, I will drag you. Anybody, once I see you are not clean, I will drag you. So me I no get friend. Tell friend truth, you know they spoil friend. Tell friend truth, you know will keep friend. So me, I will continue to stand for truth. I'll continue to talk. Okay, I will try and share it. It's on my page. It's there. It's on my video. It's on my page there. So that's we know that we talk. So before you say I talk, you know say I don't analyze and I don't look at. We cannot be deceived anymore. In another country where they say prison break, we don't see the record casualty. Go check another country. We say prison break. Not the casualty. You will see everywhere go dey burn. But nothing like this here. When I forget, I bet when I not point figure to anybody. All we need now is that bad government. We are saying declare an end to bad governance, and it stand. That is our stand. All senators' salaries should be reduced by 60%. All former governor that is receiving pension, their name should be removed from the pension scheme because they are not civil servants. All the police attached to ex-governor should be withdrawn and reduce it to 1 or 2. Finish. Reduce all the money being payable to past governor, their cook, everything. Remove them. Those money is enough to develop the state, to develop the country. So that is it. Una do well. God bless all of una. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Wetin he talk concerning Emmanuel Agbogun. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, I beg, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with the things where they happen for Edo State. So make I leave you now, make you help us share this video to friends and family. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.